and every nook and corner of the village under this Baratha outpost.
St. Anthony's College Shillong, in collaboration with Bioresources Development Centre and R&D Institution under Planning Department, Government of Meghalaya, organised a two-day international conference on biodiversity and Conservation-Cum-Workshop on traditional medicine. Addressing the gathering as chief guest, Minister in charge of Forests and Environment James Sangma said, the program is all about sharing ideas and sharing knowledge and encouraging traditional healers at the same time. He said, being a state having one of the richest biodiversities in the world, it is so important for us to recognize that the kind of strength and see how to leverage that strength.
See, medicine is an evolving discipline. We might think today it is so important for us to recognize that kind of strength and see how we leverage that strength and take conservation efforts to a whole new level. And I think that it holds very true for us that this is the backbone on which we also must ride to take our conservation efforts to the next level.